Hi friends, I'm Sonal here. I welcome you all to my channel Talk to Share. And today with my friend Sheetal, I'm here to demonstrate how to make healthy laddu with oats and flax seeds. So let's hear from Sheetal.
Hi everyone, I'm Sheetal and today I'm showing flax seeds and oats laddu. It's very easy to make and very healthy. So this is the ingredients. Dates.
So dates is a good source of calcium and iron.
Yes. Flax seeds powder. It's roasted and powdered.
So flax seeds is good source of omega-3 fatty acids.
Yes, and this is almond and walnut powder. So again roasted, brain and heart. It's very good for kids also. Generally kids doesn't eat it like that, so we can powder it and mix it with the laddu. So it's very good for kids. And oats, again everyone knows that oats are very good, very healthy for cholesterol.
Yes, and it's a good source of protein.
Yeah, it's a very good source of protein. And jaggery.
So jaggery is again a good source of iron and calcium.
Yes,
it's a better sweetener than the sugar.
Yeah. And some cashews for the decoration.
Yes. So all the healthy ingredients Sheetal has taken. This is almond and walnut powder. Then this is roasted flax seeds powder and dates, seeds taken out, and oats. This is roasted oats. Yeah. Oat is also roasted. And this is jaggery. So Sheetal, just can we have the proportions?
Yeah, it's all half of cup, everything.
Okay.
And just 8 to 10 dates. That's it.
So everything is half cup.
And it's very easy to make.
Dates are 8 to 10 dates.
Yeah.
Okay. So everything is very healthy. And now let's see how to prepare it. So tell Sheetal how to prepare it.
Just mix it with the mixer grinder and your laddus are ready. You just have to make the balls.
Okay, so what we will do now, we will mix everything in the, we'll put everything in mixie jar and we will just grind it and in a fine paste and then we will make laddus. So let's have it.
So we'll take all the ingredients, we'll just mix it in the mixer grinder.
So Sheetal is putting all the ingredients, half of cup, right? Almond, flaxseed powder.
Oats, roasted
oats.
Dates,
seeds taken out.
Jaggery. And this will keep it for the decoration. Cashews will keep it for the decoration.
So we will just mix it in the mixer.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just have to make the balls.
So this
mixture is ready.
Mixture is ready.
We just have to make
all the ingredients mixed well in the mixie.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just have to make the balls now.
So now Sheetal is just making the laddus out of it.
Just make small balls so kids can just have it on the go.
Okay. And very smooth texture. Kids will not feel any pieces, which usually kids don't like, right?
Yeah. Generally kids doesn't like to eat dates, almonds, oats, even flax seeds.
And it's looking so tempting and yummy. This is very healthy and delicious laddus.
No ghee, no oil.
Yeah, no ghee, no oil, no fat. Everything is very, very healthy in these laddus. Rich source of omega-3, protein, calcium, iron, and like all the, I think, vitamins, minerals are there into it because we have used multiple things in this. So very nutritious laddu for all ages and especially for the heart patients and for kids.
Yeah, it's very good for
But everyone can take. I think it's good for ladies also. Those who are pregnant ladies, those who are going through menopausal.
And just decorate with the cashew so kids will.
Yes. And see one kid. So it's looks wise also they are looking very delicious. No fat.
Not at all.
See,
Our
so
laddoos are
our
ready.
delicious, healthy, nutritious laddoos are ready to eat, and you can make it, give it to your kids. Thank you.